Case number 1: the Cruz child support battle, truth versus responsibility. Before this case even begins, it's clear that things aren't going to be simple. Mr. Cruz walks into court saying his income has dropped, he has a new wife, a newborn baby, and more responsibilities than before. But in family court, claims aren't enough, the judge wants proof. Every number he gives will be questioned, every detail examined, and every part of his story tested. This isn't just about money, it's about priorities, responsibility, and whether the truth matches the testimony he's about to give.
All right, Mr. Cruz, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
I'm trying to get a reduction in my child support.
Okay.
Recently been working and my wages has been reduced, so I want to see if I can get my child support reducted.
Okay. How much were you making?
Originally, about 100 a year.
All right. What are you doing?
I'm a restaurant owner.
Okay. So now, what are your wages looking like?
About yearly or weekly.
Yearly.
78.
So from
75.
about 100 to 78,000?
Yeah.
Have you had to lay off employees or anything like that?
It's been hours been reduced.
Oh, okay. Okay. So it took reduction in hours. All right. Is that it? You just want to reduce because your wages changed?
And I actually have a new wife.
Congratulations.
Yeah, and a newborn on the
Okay.
way. So I got more responsibilities I got to take care of.
You said you have a newborn. The child in this case, how old are they?
Which one? My newborn?
No, not your newborn, the child between the two of you.
4 years old.
4, boy or girl? Where is that child on health insurance?
Me.
How much is it?
$430.
$430. Okay. You said you have a newborn, so is it $430 now with the newborn, or was it $430 before the newborn?
Before.
Okay. What is it now?
I haven't really checked, but I think it went up a couple of $100s.
Okay. So what are you thinking?
Maybe like 600. 6.
And is that for the whole family, or is that just for the 2 newborns?
2 newborns.
Okay. Well, not 2 newborns, the newborn and the 4-year-old.
Yeah.
This is the classic opener in child support court: my income went down. But judges don't just take your word for it. They want proof, numbers, documents. And right here, you can already see the judge mentally preparing to dissect every financial detail Mr. Cruz throws at her.
So $600 just for them two?
All of us together.
Okay, so all of you together is $600. How many people are on that plan?
3.
Well, it can't be 3.
Yeah, it's me. Me,
No.
my son, my daughter.
You, your son, what about your wife?
Oh, well, she's not on there.
Okay.
We just recently been married, so we haven't switched things up yet.
Okay, how long have you all been married?
About 3 months.
Oh, okay, so yeah, you are. So it's about $200. If I take that 600 and divide it by 3, it's $200 per person. So for both kids, it'll be about $400. That sound about right?
Yeah.
Okay. Decrease, health insurance, somewhat increased. Okay. Is there anything else you want me to know?
Is there some more stuff you wanted to know?
Well, I mean, you came to court.
Okay. I mean, pretty much. I mean, yeah, that's it. I mean, I've been married. I got a newborn. The restaurant haven't been doing so good, and I just need some help from y'all to help me reduce my child support.
Okay. All right.
Now this is where things get interesting. Anytime someone comes to court asking for reduced child support, and suddenly there's a new marriage and a new baby in the picture, judges lock in. Because legally, your first child is still the priority. This moment sets up a major question: is Mr. Cruz asking for relief, or trying to shift responsibility?
An agreement to his child support being reduced?
No, I am not.
Okay, tell me about that.
I think it is fine as it is. I don't want to fight to increase it. I think the payment you are paying me is enough. The restaurant that he owns, same business. I don't see there being any less business. The only hours that were reduced were mine because your wife is the manager.
Oh, wait a minute, hold on. I didn't catch that part.
Yeah.
Run that by me again.
So he claims that the restaurant isn't doing so good.
Okay.
But I think the business is the same. It was just my hours that were reduced, so I had to pick up another job to make.
Him and new wife all work together?
Yeah, well, I only work on the weekends now, but yeah.
I mean, it's okay. I mean, we all get along. We make things work out for the family.
Oh, if that's the case, then you all wouldn't be here, right? Because you want a decrease. She's saying no, so you all get along?
I don't understand how it's supposed to pay something that I don't have, really.
But she's saying the business hasn't changed. You're talking about in terms of customers coming in and...
Yeah.
This is a red flag moment. When someone's unsure about their own insurance costs in court, judges notice. Inconsistent numbers often hint that either the person hasn't looked closely, or they're trying to soften the blow. And the judge wastes zero time breaking the math down herself.
Since Corona hit, our business has took a pretty much significant loss since Corona hit. Our customers.
I can believe that. You know, that's happened to a lot of businesses.
So we've been trying to recover from that. So her hours may just be from that.
Okay.
Yeah.
You don't think your hours got reduced because of COVID?
No, I'm the strongest server there.
Why do you think your hours were reduced?
Because his wife doesn't like me there.
Now she's cool with her.
Not when you're around.
Oh.
I haven't seen
Sounds
that.
a little messy.
I haven't seen that. I don't think just so far as business wise, we don't mix the business with the family. So far her hours, if anything, we gave her extra like 5-6 hours last week.
Okay.
Yeah.
As the dishwasher.
The hours.
You're saying no, just based on you don't think that the business has changed or anything. Do you have any documentation that you brought with you today that shows his income has not decreased as he just testified to? He says $78,000 now, right?
Yeah.
Besides your belief, do you have any other reason to suggest that maybe he's not being truthful about what his income is?
Ding ding, plot twist. The moment she mentions the new wife is managing the restaurant and cutting her hours, the entire tone shifts. Suddenly it's not just a financial problem, it's a potential power struggle. Judges take these allegations seriously because if hours are reduced on purpose, that directly affects child support calculations.
I think, like, him having a new child, he doesn't want to support the child he already has to the extent that he can.
Okay.
And I feel like
I take care of all my kids.
I didn't say you don't, but you should, make sure that the one you already have is taken care of. And yeah, I think, just the support is still needed.
Well, I don't think he's saying he doesn't want to support. He's saying he can't afford to support what it was. Those were reversed and you were in that situation. Wouldn't you want him to consider what you're saying is true and possibly work with you and reduce your child support?
Yeah, that would be fair.
Well, I think that's fair too. So this is what we're going to do. Based on your testimony that your wages have decreased, and you kind of alluded to, not that his wages necessarily decreased, but that the business is not doing so well because your hours have been reduced. We may not necessarily know the true reason why, according to what you're saying, but your hours were in fact reduced, right? Mm-hmm. Which could be a direct result of the business during the pandemic.
This is a big ruling moment. The judge recalculates everything: income, insurance, number of dependents. And honestly, a $300 reduction is significant. But notice how Mr. Cruz immediately tries to negotiate even further by asking about her hours. That's where the judge draws the line. Child support is based on his income, not how much she works.
So this is what we're going to do. Based on your testimony, your new gross comes out to $6,500. That brings your net to $5,157, giving you credit for both of the children that you have. And I gave you credit for your health insurance, okay? The new health insurance amount. for $400. I couldn't give you $600 because it's only for the children, okay? So with that, your new child support amount comes out to $825. Based on what you used to pay at that $100,000, your child support was $1,242. So it went down about $300 or so.
So what about the what about the extra hours I was giving her? We're giving her a week. If we
What about them?
If we up the hours for her, would that lower my child support a little bit?
If we up her hours,
yeah. So last week we gave her like an extra 6 hours.
Okay.
So what about if we gave her like maybe 12, 10?
this has nothing to do with her income. This is about yours.
Okay.
Why would you want her working more to decrease your child support?
So she can make more money to help
Pay
me
for his
out.
other baby.
See, now you starting to waste my time. Don't do that. Don't do it. You have a legitimate reason to be here, and you have a legitimate request. Don't be ugly, okay?
This part is hilarious and brutal. The judge calls his bluff instantly. Do you want me to increase it back? And suddenly the math doesn't matter anymore. No, it's cool. A classic courtroom reality check. When someone realizes they've already been given a break, they stop pushing real fast.
Questions?
So that's the final answer for the 800.
That's what I said, right? I said it went from $1,242 to $825.
But that's like $300 though.
Yeah, but it's giving you credit for the children that you already have, giving you credit for health insurance. What else could you be asking for? That's all I can do within
I got a new
the
baby.
realms of the
I got
law.
a new baby.
And I took that into consideration, which is why your percentage is 16%.
So I'm supposed to pay $800 a month. That's 12 times 12.
$825 to be exact a month. What are you doing?
That's 9,000. That's 9,900 a month. How much?
Okay, you were paying $1,242. Do you want me to increase it back?
Nah, it's cool.
Oh, okay. So you don't have any more questions, right?
Nah, it's cool. So
Okay.
800.
$825.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Nothing further.
That's it.
The answer is no, right?
Yes. That's it.
Because your child support got reduced. You got what you were looking for, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Anything further from you?
No, ma'am.
Okay. If there's nothing further, you all are
When the ruling finally comes down, the judge reduces Mr. Cruz's child support, but only within the limits of the law. He gets some relief, but not without tough questions and a reminder that his first child still comes first. The mother doesn't get the decision she hoped for, but the court made its ruling based on facts, not feelings. In the end, this case shows how quickly stories shift under pressure, and how the court's job is to cut through confusion and protect the child at the center of it all.